The pandemic has changed the priorities for many Americans, and one example of this is new data showing more people are getting life insurance. Here to share important information and to answer questions about insurance is the president of the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, Dean Cameron. Hello, Dean.
Hi.
So,
glad
Dean,
to be with you.
Happy to have you on. Dean, what is the most important thing we need to know about life insurance right now?
Well, I think the most important thing is to have some. Life insurance is a product that you buy in order to protect your family, your loved ones, your business partner, anybody who's financially tied in with you. It's a product that allows your family to grieve appropriately if you've passed away, without worrying about where the money's going to come from to pay the bills or to pay the mortgage.
And Dean, what should someone do to make sure they're getting the insurance that is best for them?
Well, we recommend working with a local agent who is licensed in your state, who is trained, someone who will put your interest first, and will listen to your goals, your aspirations, listen to what your desires are, and design a product that fits your budget.
And what can someone do if they believe they have wrongly been denied life insurance?
So anytime you have a conflict with an insurance company or an insurance agent, we'd recommend to your viewers that they go to the Department of Insurance in your state. They have consumer professionals that are there to help make sure that your needs are taken care of and that there's good communication between you and the insurance company or the agent.
Which I'm sure is very reassuring. And once you get a policy, is there anything consumers should do?
Yeah, the first thing I would do is I would look at the front page, the data pages of the policy, which is usually the first 2 or 3 pages. Make sure they've spelt your name right. Make sure your birth date or other biographical information is accurate. Make sure it's the plan you thought you were buying for the amount of coverage and the amount of premium you thought you were paying. And then make sure that the beneficiaries are listed in the policy.
You have to pay attention to the details. And what are some common misconceptions about insurance?
So I think the most common misconception is that it's too expensive. You can literally buy policies for pennies a day. So it's a matter of you picking the plan that best suits you and that best fits your needs. Another misconception is that you may not be able to get coverage based on your age or based on a health condition, and that's really not true in today's world. I mean, there are certainly, the older you get, the more expensive policies are, or the more health conditions you have. So we do recommend buying it earlier than later, but you can get coverage no matter what.
Could you tell us more about the National Association of Insurance Commissioners and how your organization can help us with our insurance choices?
So the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, or NAIC, is an organization that works for uniform and model laws that help consumers. Our main objective is to provide consumer protection, to make sure that consumers know what they're buying and are treated appropriately. We help consumers by making sure that the companies are following the laws of the state, as well as making sure that they'll be solvent, that the company will be around when you need them to pay claims. And so that's our primary objective.
Perfect. Well, thank you for joining us this morning with this very helpful information. And for more info, visit NAIC.org.